Are you interested in designing the engineering technology systems of tomorrow? I am Professor Ana Tenorio. I started teaching for the Engineering Technology program in 2017. As part of our program, you'll benefit from expertly developed courses by award-winning faculty and standards of excellence.
My name's Jesse. I'm an engineering technology professor here at Seminole State College, and I've seen this program grow so much during my time here. Our engineering program offers hands-on experience with real-world applications in fields like automation and robotics, led by our experienced faculty. We strive to get our students industry-ready by providing access to state-of-the-art resources, such as 3D printers, hydraulics, pneumatics, and robotics equipment.
As in real-life engineering, our program features frequent hands-on experiences with community projects and personal support from the area's engineering leaders. Our graduates have gone on to work for some of the top engineering firms in the country and have made significant contributions in their field. Join us at Seminole State College of Florida and become part of a community of innovators who are shaping the future.